Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 3 of painting the Honda CT70 parts. I have an update. After a lot of research, I found out that this is really just like the tinted clear that goes over the metal flake-ish silver. So they kind of sold me the right stuff, but not complete. So I had to go out to Painter Supply and buy some Radiance 2 sterling silver. It's a highly metallic, bright, reflective coating that you put on before the red candy color. And then there's regular clear that goes over it all. So I get the opportunity now to prime the parts that I sprayed yesterday red. They need to be primed gray. Then after that dries, I can spray the silver on everything. The silver is made to go under the candy color. Got to figure out what silver I'm going to use. Because I bought this micro dot silver for painting bumpers on this Falcon. And I have to find out which one of these two would be the best to go under a candy color. They're both supposed to go under candies, but this micro dot might be a brighter silver. And I'm going to check that out, and I'm going to use the best one for the candy color. And then the other one will be on the bumpers of this car future project. Somebody painted the bumpers gray, and I'm just going to paint them silver because that gray is already flaking off of there. I have to check my price that I paid for this. I know this was $114, and that's only a half a can. This is a pint can, but it's only got 8 ounces of paint in there. And this is an 8 ounce. So they might be equal in price. This may have been more, I don't know, but I'm going to figure out which one is best underneath that candy red. I'll use it. First, I need to spray on a gray sealer before I spray on the silver. That's good. I just got a little bit of paint left in here. I'm not going to push it. I'm going to let that dry. It'll be ready for silver. Couple days later, paint has been a disaster. The company keeps saying that the paint they sold me is proper, and it's not. So I just went and bought another quart. This is candy paint. Should be candy apple red. This is a part from another motorcycle. Kind of what I'm going to try to duplicate. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to get it this dark or not, but I'm going to do what I can. But today's going to be paint day. Mix it up. This is a 4-to-1 mix. Got a quart of paint. I had to buy a whole quart of activator, even though I don't need that much, but that's how things are today. Let me get this stirred up, mixed up, and put in the gun and start spraying. All right, here we go with the first coat. So, round two. Finished spraying on the candy apple red yesterday. It was a very long process on this project. So now I just need to call the owner and talk to him, find out when he wants to come and get this. And I would have to think twice about painting another one, to be truthful with you, because this took way too long to do. So I thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Please stay tuned to my channel for future projects, videos, and whatnot.